democracy remains the only form of government.
Ọmọkùnrin yóò gbọ́dọ̀ di president.
Gbogbo wa la ṣáà mọ̀ pa tó yẹ ká kó níbi tá a délẹ̀ fún.
Are you ready to confess now?
Yes.
Mama fo fẹnu pé ohun tí o ṣe.
The answer to your question is yes.
Kashi, act. Kashi that I have known since Akpeja days.
There's no longer a we, Goke.
Pipeline vandalism will be a thing of the past in this country.
The government will pay for this.
You cannot make them pay, madam. Think of what they did to your husband and friends.
SDP!
Innocent men and women lost their lives to have this democracy that we now enjoy.